Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart and blood pressure and relieves pain. Then to this add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidants known to boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fight against bacteria and parasites. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 2 minutes. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 2 minutes, so let's now open and check. The ingredients are well soaked, so strain and add it to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down your belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.